You can find this course if you follow the link from our FigJam board and this bot, right, icon. Design challenge is there. So that's what Jane basically did. She found that course and she's just said, okay, I need one more case study for my portfolio. So I'm gonna go through this and prepare the case. And I invited her to present it today because the case is quite nice and leveraging all this AI functionality as well. But let's find out more what AI helps with this time. And just I will pass the floor over to Jane, who can share her screen and take it over. Jane, are you all right and ready to share?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to say that I really recommend this course because I was really frustrated when I lost my job and I didn't want to do anything about this experience. But this challenge helped me to help me to make a good reflection of this experience and realize that it's not a flaw, it's just great experience in my life. And now I'm going to share part of this project with you. I need a second to share my screen. And
while Jane is getting ready, a bit of a context. Jane came to our offline meetups and she said, the startup I worked for just closed down and all the people were basically sacked. And she said, okay, so am I a loser? And so because this is what happened, and so how am I going to share this experience if the startup is not there anymore? Because they just didn't get another round of investments. And so I said, I think this is a great experience anyway, and feel free to speak about that. And so Jane took all the courage to do it, and here she is today with the presentation ready. So please, Jane.
Okay, can you see my screen? So now you see the presentation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so hi everyone, and let me introduce my previous project. This is Calibri AI. It's a platform that helps you transcribe, record, and summarize your meetings. So what problem it solves? It's easy. It's really difficult to keep tracking notes while you're online. So as a product designer, my role was first of all to discover current tendencies in the industry, then define weaknesses and strengths of the product, and find a way how we can improve it. So let's dive into industry. Average employees spend 13 hours per week in meetings, and however, only 40% of it's considered productive. So a business has great loss. So here you can find some tips from based on user interview that can help make meetings more productive. So maybe some agenda or meeting transcript or recaps can, so people think that it can help somehow. Here you can see some competitor analysis that helped me to find out, to define what should we do. So first of all, we should refine Chrome extension, improve AI functionality, and let's see what we have. So here is meet Emily. She's marketing manager, and I think she is excellent as a user persona for this product. Everything you should know about her, that she really doesn't want to change her current workflow. So here you can find CGM for her, but let's make it smaller. Maybe so easy to understand. So she just gets a task to conduct a meeting. She schedules it, install extensions, start recording. and she wants to keep being multitasking as she always does on meeting. And finally, she gets insightful meeting recaps. So let's go through this process with Emily again, more in more detail. So she gets a task. She conducts the meeting. Meeting has started, and Emily starts recording. So now she can easily participate in meeting, and while app manage all note taking in this window. Then, oops. Then she also can make some highlight some key points of the meeting just to identify priorities for AI. Agenda in this time is tracking automatically. Now the meeting ends, and she just following to the platform where she can find all meeting insights. So she can find a summary, a suggested next steps. Also, she can track some completeness of agenda she created before, and some analytics. Also, let's imagine that she's my colleague and I just skip this meeting, but I really want to know what I need to know what it was about. So I just can open this meeting after she shared with me and ask any question to her assistant to find out any details I need. It's difficult to cover everything about this project in 2 or 5 minutes, but you can see some achievements that we got, some KPIs. So first of all, trial to paid KPI increased, and time on task KPI reduced, and also we reduced 10 clicks for core functionality. That's why I think it's also a great achievement. Thank you. Maybe you have any questions.